I am 61. Every day I publish a blog. Every month I publish a book. Every 3 months I upload one Udemy course. People ask me from where you get the energy at this age. Here is the secret. Every day morning I went to my terrace and get the sunlight and walk on the terrace. This is the simple secret gives me the energy to do these all activities. So I create passive income and I get better sleep. I get vitamin D. I worked in a hospital 18 years. There I saw several people struggle to recover their health. If you follow this simple step, do walking, get sunlight, change your lifestyle, change your food habit, you can get the health without pay anything. So this is my secret. If you are interested, follow me, Sunlight Health Walk Series. Bye, see you.